Today, let's talk about a question that a lot of people face when deciding how to invest, SIP or lump sum, which is better. The truth is, there's no one size fits all answer. It all depends on your financial situation and goals. Let me break it down here for you in this video. A lump sum investment involves putting up a large amount of money simultaneously. For instance, if you inherit a sum, receive a year-end bonus, or make profits from your business, you might choose to invest it in a single transaction. The success of a lump sum investment largely depends on the timing in the market. If you invest when the market is at a high, your portfolio may underperform for several years. On the other hand, investing during a market downturn can lead to substantial returns. However, you also face the risk of experiencing significant short-term losses if the market declines shortly after your investment. A systematic investment plan, on the other hand, allows investors to invest a fixed amount of money in a mutual fund at regular intervals such as monthly or quarterly. This helps automate investments and promote financial discipline. SIPs are particularly beneficial for those who prefer a hands-off strategy and may find it challenging to monitor the markets constantly. Investing in an SIP is ideal for salaried employees who receive a monthly income, as it allows them to invest consistently and efficiently every month. But what's the magic here? Rupee cost averaging is a simple investment strategy. You buy more units when prices are low and fewer units when prices are high. This is like shopping for discounts. You don't need to worry about timing the market because you invest over time. The downside of this is that it's a slower path to wealth. While it won't make you rich overnight, it's a safer and smarter way to build long-term wealth. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. A well-known saying in investing is, time in the market beats timing the market. SIP embodies this principle by encouraging you to remain invested regardless of market conditions. Over time, this consistent approach helps you accumulate wealth without the stress of trying to perfect your entry point. For long-term investors, staying invested through both highs and lows minimizes their cost of acquisition. So which one should you go for? If you have a lump sum available and are confident about the market conditions, a lump sum investment could give you quicker returns. But if you prefer consistency and a lower risk strategy, SIP is a great choice for your long-term wealth building. Some investors even combine both the methods, investing a lump sum when they have the funds and using SIP to build their portfolio over time. This gives you the flexibility to benefit from both strategies. It isn't about SIP versus lump sum. The best strategy depends on your financial ability and goals, and it would be best if you can do both, as that will help your money grow quicker and better.